We'll guide you through how to create vector graphics in Krita. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Krita on your computer. Once you have it open, create a new document by going to the File menu and selecting New. In the dialog box, set your desired dimensions and resolution, then click Create. With your new document open, you need to switch to the Vector workspace. Go to the top menu, click on Window, then Workspace, and choose Vector. This will bring up the tools and options you need for vector work. Next, select the vector layer from the Layers docker on the right side. If it's not visible, you can enable it under the Dockers menu in the Settings tab. Now you're ready to start drawing. Click on the Bezier Curve tool or any shape tool from the toolbar on the left. This tool is essential for creating vector paths. Click on the canvas to create points and drag to curve the lines between them. You can adjust these points by selecting the Edit Shapes tool, allowing you to refine and perfect your design. Remember, since vector graphics are scalable, they won't lose quality when resized. Once you're happy with your design, you can export it. Go to File, then Export. Make sure to choose a vector-friendly format like SVG for scalability. You can also save your work in Krita's native file format, .kra, if you want to edit it later. And that's it. Now you're ready to create beautiful vector graphics in Krita. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.